O to naturally treated. Attention déficit hyperactivity disorder, ADD, I a brain disorder ta impact a person ability to focus en concentrate. Some individuals suffer from hyperactivity en haute symptômes. Once you receive a diagnosis, you may seek medical treatment. Ove, you may be able to reduce your symptom with natural remedy. Determine if you have inattentive symptom of ADD. In order to qualify for a diagnosis, you must exhibit a list of 5 symptoms, for an adult, or 6 symptoms, for a child 16 and in more than a setting, for a list 6 months. Symptoms must be inappropriate for the person developmental level and interrupting normal functioning on the job or in social or school setting. Symptoms for ADD, inattentive presentation, include careless mistake, inattentive to detail. A trouble paying attention, task, playing. 2 and same to be paying attention when someone is talking to him. 2 and follow through, homework, core, job, easily sidetracked. Organizationally challenged. Avoid task requiring sustained focus, like schoolwork. Can keep track of or often lose key, glass, paper, tool, etc. Easily distracted. Forgetful. Determine if you have hyperactivity /impulsivity symptom of ADD. Some symptoms must be at level of disruptive for them to count in a diagnosis. Track if you have a list of 5 symptoms, for an adult, or 6 symptoms, for a child 16 and in more than a setting, for a list 6 months. Fidgety, squirmy, tap on the face. Feel restless. Struggle to play quietly /do quiet activity. On to go if driven by a motor. Excessive talking. Blurt out even before question are asked. Struggle to wait for return. Interrupt the other, insert self into other discussion /game. Assess if you have combined. Some people with ADD process symptoms from both inattentive and hyperactive /impulsive criteria. If you have 5 symptoms, for adults, or 6 symptoms, for children 16 and from IT category, you may have combined presentation of ADD. Get diagnosed by a mental health professional. You determine your level of ADD, seek guidance of a mental health professional to make an official diagnosis. The person will also be able to determine what your symptoms can be better explained by or attributable to a psychiatric disorder. Ask your mental health professional about the disorder. If having an ADD diagnosis is a challenging on out of every 5 with ADD diagnosed with a serious disorder, depression and bipolar disorder are common partner. On a tier of children with ADD also have a behavioral disorder, conduct disorder, oppositional defiance disorder. ADD tend to pair up with learning disability and anxiety, too. Getting organized. Use ADI plané. Organisation en consiste routine will help you stay on top of your day activity and project. Puis a planeta a plenty of space to write day note. Before you go to bed, look at your calendar for the next day. Then you will know what to anticipate and why you need to get done. Break up large projects into small. Thinking about overall picture can be overwhelming. Break down a large project into small manageable pieces that can be accomplished readily. Make a to-do list for a project. Then write down the steps that will accomplish the full project. Cross them off as you finish on. Get rid of clutter. Clutter can contribute to feeling overwhelmed and distracted. Reduce ta amount of material sitting around donc counter en cheveux. Throw out junk my right away, and get yourself removed from a mailing list for catalog and credit card offer. Get online bank statement instead of paper copy. Have designated place for important item. You may find yourself getting overwhelmed if you constantly have to look for your key and wallet. Osa spot where you will leave your key, suchazonake ogbit d'or. Making ditari change. Yat complexe carbohydrate to bost serotonin level. Person 8 de tantou avlo et serotonin en dopamine level. Manipéop le experim 8 change in orde tout coup inter-effecteuse déficiency tout somext. Expert recommand à complexe carb diet to bost serotonin for improved mode, slup, en à petite. Skip simple carb, sugar, honey, jelly, candy, soda, etc. Ta cause a temporary serotonin speak. Instead, ose complexe carbohydrate suchao whole grain, green végétable, starchy végétable, en banc. Tesa lacta en ergitim rolls. Improve your focus be yatin more protein. Yat a protein riche dieta include several protein ovet course of that to keep dopamine level league. Ti will help you improve your focus. Protein include omi, fish, en nut, avec la several food à double à complexe carb, légumes en banc. Aux oméa 3 fat. Add d'experts recommand avoiding bas fat su châteaux food trans fats en free food, burger en pizza. Instead, aux oméa 3 fat from salmon, walnut, avocado en mort. Teusiel promote a healthy brain, en some study suggest that helpful reducing negative symptom of ADD. The food may help hyperactivity will improving organizational skill. Experim with eliminating certain food. Some study have suggested a eliminating whey at dairy, avel a processed food, sugar, additives especially red food coloring, can have a positive impact on behavior in children with ADD. Will know everyone will be willing or able to go to talent, some expérimentation ma produce improvement à make a difference. All to get a common belief ta sugar en food are linked to negative effect in people with ADD, numéro rigorous study have no demonstrated a link between the substance en problem with ADD. Ove, sugar a source of anti-calorie en food are often processed processed food, so reducing or eliminating the substance will likely improve your overall health. Talk to your doctor about dietary change. Be certain to run an major change in diet by your doctor. Ti include change related to vitamin en supplement. Ask your doctor about an conflict that could negatively impact your ADD medication. Your doctor can also suggest recommended dosage of various supplements en warn of possible side effect. For instance, melatonin may improve sleep in person with ADD, but it might also induce vivid dreaming which may be unpleasant. Finding support. Sa mental health therapist. Adu with ADD generally benefit from psychotherapy. Treat help individuals accept WHO TR, will at some time help them seek improvement to their situation. Cognitive behavioral therapy directly jarret over treating ADD in useful for many patients. Type of therapy address some of the core problem caused by ADD, such as team management and organizational issue. You may also suggest to family members to visit a therapist. Therapy can also provide a safe place for family members to vent their frustration in a healthy way and work out issue with professional guidance. Joint à support group. Numéro organisation provide individual support avec la networking amongst members WHO can jet tojete online or in person to share problem en solution. Search online for a support group in your area. Fin online resource. Assemble à support network. Person with ADD need to understand how to recognize and reduce stress and frustration before they get out of control and lead to anxiety, dépression, or even substance abuse. Making lifestyle change. Spend more time in nature. Get plenty of sleep. Pour sleep habit can it an add de symptoms, where a good night's sleep at potential to do opposite. Make an effort to have a regular sleep pattern. Go to bed at some time every night and wake up at some time in the morning. 1 to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep for adults to 11 hours of sleep for children every night. Limit your screen time to 1 hour per day, Wish inclut de télévision, vidéo game, smartphone, internet, tablet, etc. Trying Natural Supplement. Consul with your doctor first. You should speak with your doctor before trying an herbal supplement for added, even herbal en natural treatment quand interfere with toute medical condition or prescription medication. If your doctor give you to go ahead, consider some of the following remedy. You should always consult with your pediatrician before giving an herbal remedy to children. Many are no safe for children use, or should be used only under close supervision by your doctor. Drink herbal tea. There are several herbs that can help calm or relax you. Some have been proven effective at reducing a feeling of stress and anxiety. When should you treat it? Try natural remedy after consulting with your doctor. Even if you or your child exhibit symptoms of ADD, you should get an official diagnosis from your doctor before attempting self-treatment. Effective ADD treatment usually involve a combination of behavioral therapy and medication. Ideally, natural remedy should supplement the treatment instead of replacing it. Opt for lifestyle and the exchange of herbal remedy. While many herbal remedy and hot natural supplement are safe for most adults, and for many adolescents, in some cases, the safest natural treatment course will rely on lifestyle change en mild to moderate dietary improvement since herbal supplement come with a great risk of negative side effect or interaction.